it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Hex Packs. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, Hex Packs is a packing puzzle that has 2 layers to it. We can see our pieces are 3D, and the whole goal is to put all the pieces into this frame so it's flush. So, to begin with, we will look around and we'll find a piece that looks like this. We will put it right there. It's a good spot for it right there. Now, we will look for a piece that looks like this. And we'll put it right here. Now we're going to find this piece. Long little leggy boy. We're going to put it right here. Now our next piece will be this one right here. And we're going to do a little slidey-do into that space, and it should go. We'll take this piece, orient it like so, and it just drops here. And our last piece. Perfect. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.